Hi, I'm Miss Hearn. Let's get started. Okay, we just found that the distance between those 2 points turned out to be a little more than 10. And now what I'm wondering is not the length of the line segment, but what point would be exactly in the middle of the line segment. We're looking for a midpoint. So it looks like it would be about here, right? But what would be the exact coordinates of that point? So one way to think about it is we would be horizontally halfway between -6 and +4, and vertically we would be halfway between -1 and 3. And so we can find the x and the y coordinates for that midpoint separately by averaging the x coordinates and averaging the y coordinates, finding their mean. So how do you find the average of two numbers? You just add them up and you divide by 2, right? So for example, if I wanted to find what's halfway between the x values -6 and 4, all you do is you take -6 and 4 and you divide by 2. It's going to be -2/2, which is -1. So, and doesn't that look like it's halfway? Let's look. Here's on the, and we're talking about the x values now, so the horizontal difference here between -6 and 4. And if you go to -1 on the x-axis, look, that's 5 units away from -6, and it's also 5 units away from 4, so it's halfway in between. All right, so what we just found is that the x-coordinate of the midpoint is going to be -1. Now let's find what's halfway between the y values, -1 and 3. So you average them, -1 plus 3/2. That's going to be 2/2, which is 1. So the y coordinate turned out to be 1. So -1, 1 would be right here. So here's the formula for the midpoint. The x coordinate is going to be the average of x1 and x2. So x1 plus x2/2. And the y coordinate is going to be y1 plus y2/2. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please remember to like it.